Top 10 foods that encourage hair growth. Put down that expensive hair growing shampoo and conditioner if you truly want long, luscious, shiny hair. When you neglect your protein intake, your locks will grow slowly and the strands will be much weaker. Healthy hair is easy, but it does take about 6 months to actually see improvement depending on how fast your hair grows. Here are top 10 foods that not only encourage your hair to grow strong, shiny, and beautifully soft. Bananas and raisins. These two great tasting fruits contain the mineral silica, which improves the thickness of the hair. Try eating more organic foods that contain this mineral and make your hair more durable and strong. Oats are also a good source of silica. Olive oil. If your diet is too low in fat, your hair could become brittle, dry, and lackluster. You don't need much. Just a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in your daily diet will keep your hair shiny and soft. Sweet potatoes. These beauties contain tons of beta-carotene, which your body will change into vitamin A very nourishing agent for your skin and hair. Eating foods rich in vitamin A makes your hair shiny and protects you from having dry skin. It also helps keep your scalp from developing dandruff. Other vitamin A rich foods would be kale, butternut squash, carrots, and asparagus. Citrus fruits. It's time to say yay to vitamin C. When you don't get enough vitamin C, it can make your hair dry and weak. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron. So, stock up on organic lemons, oranges, strawberries, and apples. Beans. All beans and lentils are super rich sources of iron and protein, both things your hair needs in order to grow longer. Lentils especially are super good for hair support, growth, and maintenance. And lentils to your soups and salads. Eggs, full of biotin, an important B vitamin that promotes overall scalp health as well as encouraging hair growth. Other foods that are good sources of biotin are cheese, avocados, almonds, and peanuts. Dark green veggies. If you need another reason to eat your greens, here it is. Spinach, Swiss chard, broccoli, and green peppers are all packed full of vitamin C and A, which help your scalp produce sebum, a natural oil that works as your body's own natural hair conditioner. So, include green veggies in your diet to encourage hair growth. Red meat. A diet that contains too little iron can actually cause baldness. Addressing iron deficiencies in the diet can help the body regrow hair. Most people who have problems with hair loss tend to have an iron deficiency, especially women. By taking red meat in your diet, you get all vitamins and iron, and it helps in hair growth. Oysters. Androgen, a hormone naturally produced by the body, is unfortunately associated with hair loss. Zinc is a mineral that helps your body regulate the production of androgens. People with low levels of androgens generally have dandruff and very slow growing hair. Change your diet and emphasize zinc-rich foods such as oysters, liver, crab, and lean cuts of grass-fed beef can help keep you from losing hair as well as making the hair you have shiny and healthy looking. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s encourage a healthy scalp. A deficiency in this important fatty acid leads to dull hair and a dry scalp, including dandruff. Good sources of omega-3s are walnuts, sardines, herring, mackerel, wild salmon, and flax seeds. Include all these foods in your diet to encourage hair growth. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.